Hey there, welcome to Evano. If you've ever wondered where we came from, how the universe began, or what the Big Bang Theory actually means, then this video is just for you. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing scientific stories of all time, told in a simple and engaging way, the story of everything, the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang wasn't just a giant explosion. In fact, it wasn't really an explosion at all, not like a bomb going off. It was the moment when space, time, energy, and matter all came into existence. Before it, there was no before, no time, no space. The universe began about 13.8 billion years ago from a tiny, incredibly hot and dense point. This point, called a singularity, held all the mass and energy of the universe. Then, in a fraction of a second, it started expanding, not into something but rather space itself began stretching. Imagine a tiny dot, smaller than the tip of a needle, containing everything in existence. In a trillionth of a second, it began expanding rapidly. This phase is called cosmic inflation. Tiny particles like quarks and electrons formed almost immediately, and after about 3 minutes the conditions were just right to create the first atomic nuclei, mostly hydrogen and helium. At this point, the universe was still hot, dense, and completely dark. Light couldn't move freely yet because matter was too tightly packed. So how do we know all this? Science relies on evidence, and the Big Bang has some powerful pieces backing it up. Here are the top 3. 1. The expansion of the universe. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble noticed that galaxies are all moving away from us. The universe is expanding. That means if we rewind time, everything comes back to one point. 2. Cosmic microwave background, CMB. In 1965, two scientists accidentally discovered a strange background noise coming from space. That noise was actually leftover light from 380,000 years after the Big Bang, like a baby photo of the universe. 3. Element abundance. When scientists measure the amounts of hydrogen and helium in the universe, they match the exact predictions of Big Bang conditions. All of this paints a very clear picture. The universe had a beginning. After the Big Bang, the universe entered what's called the cosmic dark ages, hundreds of thousands of years with no light. But over time, matter started clumping together due to gravity, forming the first stars. When these stars ignited, light spread across the cosmos. This is called the epoch of reionization. Stars also began creating heavier elements in their cores: carbon, oxygen, iron. When stars died in massive explosions, they scattered those elements across the universe. And those elements, they're what we're made of. Literally, we're made of stardust. In recent years, a wild idea has caught the attention of many scientists. What if this universe isn't the only one? Some theories, especially in quantum physics and cosmology, suggest the possibility of a multiverse, a collection of countless universes, each with its own laws of physics. Maybe somewhere out there there's another version of you, living a totally different life. Of course, we haven't found direct evidence of this yet, but scientists like Brian Greene and Sean Carroll believe the idea is worth exploring. In 2022, we launched the James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye into the early universe. It can see light from the first galaxies ever formed, nearly back to the Big Bang itself. So far, it's sent back incredible images, including galaxies that are larger and more developed than we expected for that time. This may mean our current theories about early cosmic evolution need an update. We might be on the edge of rewriting the origin story. We've talked about the past, but what about the future of the universe? There are 3 main theories about how it all could end. 1. The Big Freeze. If expansion continues, everything will spread out, stars will burn out, and the universe will become dark and cold. 2. The Big Rip. If dark energy keeps accelerating the expansion, it could eventually rip apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms. 3. The Big Crunch. If gravity wins out, the universe could collapse back into a dense point, maybe even starting the cycle all over again. Each of these is still theoretical, but scientists are hard at work trying to understand where we're heading. In the middle of this vast, expanding universe on one tiny planet, a species evolved that could ask questions about how it all began. That's us. The Big Bang Theory isn't just a scientific model, it's a journey of the human mind trying to understand its own existence. If this cosmic story inspired you, hit the like button and tell us in the comments, what do you think came before the Big Bang? If you're not part of the Evano family yet, now's the time to subscribe. We drop videos every week about the brain, the universe, and the unknown. Until next time, respect the cosmos, respect your mind, and respect yourself. This is Evano, a place for those who seek big answers.